Hello you guys and welcome to my channel and welcome to week 43 of Tuesdays in the Attic. It's also a lovely day from the scrap room. We're going to mix the kits today. So I have about, I think it's 10 or 11 photos of I don't remember what they call it, but this, one of the children's museums near us had all this machinery come in so the kids could like check it out up close, and they watched a demonstration of things being smashed with it, or got to play with these giant pipes so they could see how that works, like sewer systems. And so I have lots of pictures from doing that stuff outside, and then we also played in the children's museum. But I have so many photos that this lovely 2-page sketch from Dusty Attic, I'm just going to do the ones from us outside with the machinery stuff. So I will be altering it a little bit, but not too much. So it'll be good. We've got that, and then we're going to mix the kits from this month. So I have already showed you the double shot kit, the Jen Hatfield one, and I've already showed you the double shot kit, the Simple Stories one, and I've already also shown you what's in the Shots of Life kit, and I don't have as much left from that because I used quite a bit of it. But I also have, so I believe this is what I have that's left in this, and then a couple cut aparts, a few cards, and I think that's it, because I think everything else is from the embellishment kit. So I also was showing off a little bit of the embellishment kit yesterday during my Shots of Life video. So this came in the embellishment kit, as well as some leaves or greenery, some enamel dot. These stickers are in the embellishment add-on. So that's all the embellishment add-on. So let's show you, the only thing I haven't given you a peek at yet is the pattern paper add-on. So let me show you that really quick. And then I'm gonna start cutting down my photos, figure out how I'm gonna do that, and figure out what papers we're gonna use. So with the add-on kits, you get a little bit more for that coordinate with the flavors of the month kit. So a little bit more embellishments for all the flavors of the month kit, and then a little bit more paper for each of the flavors of the month kit. So the flavors of the month kit will coordinate with these, but they all are gorgeous collections, and sometimes you can make them coordinate together, which is what I'm going to show you and play with today. So I have Simple or Cartabella Homemade, and this is the multi-journaling cards, but it's got this beautiful sunflower pattern on this side, and then here are the journaling cards from that. I've used an ephemera piece with that cute little house on it for my Shots of Life yesterday. I love this little pig. So lots of good stuff in here, but sunflowers for sure. And then we've also got from Homemade Cartabella this paper, which is called Bumblebees. So this side is this beautiful gingham, and this side is a bumblebee pattern. And then we have Paige at Evans Garden Shop. We have number 3, also beautiful, and number 23, which is all these cut apart little phrases or a beautiful orange pattern. And I like that the phrases are the branding strip. It's always nice. And then we have, I think, my favorite collection from the group this month, Simple Stories, The Simple Life. This is the journaling elements. These are great journaling elements, but I just love the colors in this collection. Beautiful wood grain. And then also from The Simple Life, this is called My Favorite. So the beautiful plaid, and then keys on green pattern. And then we're also playing with Print Shop by Vicki Boutin today. So we've got, or this month I should say. So we have 2 papers from that. This one's Pencil Me In. This is a really fun ledger that's like kind of all set. This is like the stamp set, I think, that came in the collection, that's printed on there. And then there's pencils. And then one of her kind of semi-mixed media papers. I love this branding strip. And this one's called Typeset, and then a beautiful type pattern. So I need to figure out what the heck I'm doing for a double page spread. So I'm going to pick out my pattern papers, get all my photos trimmed down, and we'll start kind of getting the lay of the land here on what we're going to do for this layout. All right, you guys, I have combined Vicki Boutin with some Paige Evans. So I used this type font paper, and then the phrase paper. I thought construction might as well use orange, right? And then I totally spaced that the pictures have my son wearing blaze orange, so that worked perfectly. I didn't even try it. And then I wanted a little bit more color added in so I could use more of the colorful embellishments. So this one's going to be less fall colored, but I mean, it was September 30th, so it is fall. So I'm going to still use some fall things. I might pull in, I have these Color Cast Designs acrylic leaves and pumpkins. I might pull those in. I haven't decided yet for sure, but I did cut a couple of these off the branding strip. Always Growing, Love Our Time Together, and Happy. And so I wanted these colors, well, that one got completely covered up, pulled in so I could add more colorful embellishments. So now my photos are not the same as obviously the sketch, but the point is that I followed a similar pattern. We got collage with a bigger photo or more horizontal photo going out here. I would ideally love this to be even farther out, but I kind of like that this yellow green is right here and the vest is right there. That worked out well. Didn't even plan that. I popped this one up on foam and matted this one on black just because it's kind of the only photo that ends up on the white pattern. So I wanted it to be able to stand out and kind of pop, and it's like one of my favorite pictures of him crawling through the tunnel. So we've got, I figured we would find a title. Yeah, Fantastic Day would be really fun. That's cute. That would work. Home is Wherever I'm With You. Fresh Baked Pies, not really. But those two could work. Little Lemon Slice. Okay. Ooh, this Thank You, actually. We can put it on this with this photo. Okay, so those things, these things. I have part of a frame we could maybe stick somewhere. I'm thinking I might keep these handy. We'll see. I don't know what else. So, and I've got those words, I've got those we can tuck in, I've got those I can figure out. I can put a truck somewhere. We've got these little embellishments we can sprinkle around. This special time, let the fun begin. Yeah, all these things. Yeah, I think we're gonna do a fantastic. Maybe just fantastic. Oh, Fantastic Day would look super cute. But I want my day to like. Yeah, we'll figure that out. Okay, let me ponder a little bit. Oh yeah, these are so crooked. Just don't look over here. All right. Let me glue some more things down and we'll check back. All right, I've put down Fantastic. There. And I've glued down these acrylic leaves, and then I've added a few of the orange, well, I used all of the orange enamel dots. And I was gonna go look for labels, and I was like, duh, I have cut apart sheets from awesome collections here. So I cut this journaling spot. Oh my gosh, my blade. From the journaling spot out of the Vicki Boutin paper. And I'm going to cut these up so that they are individual. So I can journal over here. Ooh, we'll do this. We'll do this day. And then we'll do hashtag fantastic. And one here. I just don't want to do too much because I like what I've got going on. All right. Just need to add a little glue under that. And I think we're going to call that good. Mixing the kits. I mixed quite a bit. Yeah. And then I'll journal here. So there you have it, you guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you check out the links below, which will take you to the Scrap Room store, their website, and it'll take you to the Facebook group. So you can check out all the inspiration from everybody else. But there you have it. Thank you very much. Have fun mixing the kits with me. And we'll see you next time. Bye.